The General Counsel of the Air Force is the chief legal officer of the U.S. Department of the Air Force. By U.S. law, the General Counsel of the Air Force is appointed from civilian life by the President of the United States upon the advice and consent of the United States Senate, and performs such duties as the Secretary of the Air Force specifies. According to Secretary of the Air Force Order No. 111.5, dated July 14, 2005, the General Counsel is the chief legal officer and chief ethics official of the Department of the Air Force. Legal opinions issued by the Office of the General Counsel shall be the controlling opinions of the Department of the Air Force. The General Counsel provides advice in accordance with applicable statutes on any legal subject and on other matters is directed by the Secretary. Quote, in other words, the General Counsel of the Air Force advises the Secretary of the Air Force, the Undersecretary of the Air Force, and the Assistant Secretaries of the Air Force, as well as the Chief of Staff of the Air Force and other military leaders of the United States Air Force on legal matters, other than those statutory duties under the Uniform Code of Military Justice performed by the Judge Advocate General of the Air Force. List of General Counsels of the Air Force.